Hi everyone, Tim Gallegos here, Century 21. It's a rainy Thursday and my glasses are fogging up. Please excuse that. I'm wearing my gloves, I'm wearing my mask because we're in the middle of the coronavirus outbreak. I want to be safe. But I ran to this listing that I have in Rialto here, and why did I run over here so quickly? To install that guy right there. That's a carbon monoxide alarm. And we have to have those for any appraisal. Any home sold in California has to have those installed before the appraisal takes place. If not, then he has to come back out and it's a big mess. Anyway, a lot of people have questions on appraisals. Here's one of the answers for you. Carbon monoxide detector and smoke detectors have to be installed. If you have any other questions about appraisals, values, anything like that, home inspections, please give me a call. I'm always glad to help. My number is 626-408-2001, 626-408-2001. Click on the link below and you'll have a little bit more information. I hope to hear from you soon.